So tell us, what will you be showing us today?
I think the most exciting by far is the AI agent. The kind of step change in AI there is really, really cool. And we'll talk about the various benefits and different things you can do with it and the future impacts that it will have as well. Another big one that we've added, which is I think quite impactful, is what we call the quality checker. And then lots of other various improvement things like infills for DED, things like weaving.
Hey, hello, Danny. How are you?
Morning, Michael. I'm good, thank you. Happy Monday. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Happy Monday. Well, first of all, Danny, congratulations to you and the entire team. The January release really shows how far things have come. So tell us, what will you be showing us today, and what should the community be most excited about in this January release?
We've had a few big improvements to the software in this latest release. I think the most exciting by far is the AI agent, and the kind of step change in AI there is really, really cool. So we'll jump into that and we'll talk about the various benefits and different things you can do with it and the future impacts that it will have as well. We've made some other nice quality of life updates, which are just really nice, and we can touch on those a little bit too. Another big one that we've added, which is I think quite impactful on a toolpath generation level, is what we call the quality checker. Yeah. So a little while ago, we added the safety checker, or expanded upon our safety checker for things like collisions and access limits and all that good stuff. So that's great from a safety point of view. But we've also added now the start of our quality checker. So it's, how do you know that you've actually made a good toolpath? Everyone can make a toolpath after a couple clicks, but is it actually any good? So this is a really nice way to analyze what's been made. And then lots of other various improvements across the software with things like infills for DED, things like weaving. And yeah, we'll touch on these different stuff, but I think the two really big ones are the AI agent and the quality checker.